Top 5 German learning languages apps you must know. Hallo, wie geht es dir? Didn't understand what I meant? Well, I'm saying hello, how are you, but in German. Are you one of those who are struggling to learn the German language? No worries. AppsHive is here to help you with amazing solutions. In this video, AppsHive has reviewed the top 5 German language learning apps that are perfect for students who are traveling to Germany. Let's begin. Duolingo, popular language learning app with exercises and activities covering the basics of German grammar and vocabulary. Babbel, app designed for practical and conversational German, uses speech recognition technology to improve pronunciation. Memrise, uses flashcards and spaced repetition to memorize German vocabulary quickly and effectively. The social component allows learners to connect with other users and practice their German skills. Rosetta Stone uses a combination of audio, visual, and interactive exercises to teach German in a natural and intuitive way. Offers live tutoring sessions with native German speakers. Lingoda comes with live online German classes with native speaking teachers. Courses cater to different levels of learners from beginner to advanced. I must say that you must give a chance to any German language learning apps as per your choice. Stay tuned for more videos.